Welcome back to Modern History and Untold Facts. Today you are going to hear the CIA's wildest Cold War missions, spies in the shadows, secret files buried for decades, and operations so bizarre they sound like movie plots. But these weren't fiction. They were real Cold War missions, launched by the CIA. Mind control, fake terror, secret armies. These are the CIA's wildest, most shocking Cold War missions, and they were all top secret. Until now. 1960s. America erupts with anti-war protests. The Vietnam War sparked a firestorm of outrage. Marches, riots, unrest. The CIA responded with something totally illegal. Operation Chaos. Domestic surveillance by the CIA. Instead of the FBI, the CIA launched Operation Chaos, a secret mission to spy on Americans. Over 7,000 citizens monitored. They tracked student leaders, infiltrated activist groups, even surveilled journalists. They found no foreign link, but kept spying anyway. Fake attacks, real outrage. The next mission? Even darker. Operation Northwoods, a plan to fake terrorist attacks and blame them on Cuba. Proposed: plane crashes, bombings, fake deaths. They proposed hijacking planes, staging ship attacks, even fake casualties, to push the US into war with Cuba. President Kennedy says no. The plan reached JFK's desk. He rejected it and buried it. But the fact it even got that far, shocking. Mind control, LSD, no consent. Next came mkultra, the CIA's infamous mind control project. They used drugs, hypnosis, even electroshock. Thousands experimented on. They tested on prisoners, hospital patients, even civilians, many without their knowledge. Records destroyed, truth leaked. When it came to light, the CIA destroyed most of the evidence. Only fragments remained, but they were enough to reveal the horror. Europe's secret armies. Across the Atlantic, the CIA helped build hidden, stay-behind armies in Europe in case of a Soviet invasion, linked to far-right terror. But some of these units were tied to far-right violence, bombings, false flags, political chaos. Terror to control the public? Some believe these attacks were used to manipulate public fear and justify authoritarian crackdowns. These aren't theories, they're facts, declassified, documented, real. The CIA didn't just fight the Cold War, it rewrote the rules of war itself. This sounds unreal. Like for more, subscribe for truth they don't teach. Comment, "This sounds unreal," if one of these shocked you. Subscribe, and never stop questioning what you've been told.